Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get receipt from Agoda. To get an official receipt from Agoda, start by logging into your Agoda account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the My Booking section where all your reservations are listed. Select the specific booking for which you need a receipt, then click on the receipt option. From there, you can choose to either download or print your official receipt. Make sure to double check that the details on the receipt, like your name, booking dates, and payment information are correct. This simple step-by-step process ensures you have a formal proof of your booking directly from Agoda's system. Always access your account through Agoda's official website to maintain security and avoid phishing attempts. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.